Hi, grade 4th. In previous class of English grammar, I completed exercise C of chapter number 2. Today, I am starting a new chapter, that is countable and uncountable nouns. We all know what is noun, right? What is noun? Noun is naming word for anything. It can be common noun, it can be proper noun, it can be anything, place, animal, whatever, right? Now in this we have type as countable and uncountable. What is countable nouns? Countable nouns are those nouns to which we can count. For example, here the clowns are there, so we can count this clown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I can count this. This is countable noun. Here the dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 dolls, so it is countable noun. Here are the frogs. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 frogs. We can count this. Right? So the nouns to which we can count, it is called countable nouns, and the nouns in which we cannot count, it is uncountable. For example, sugar. Can we count the sugar? Can we take each and every piece of sugar and we can count it? No, we cannot. So sugar is uncountable noun. Water. Can we count water? No, we cannot count water. Can we say 1 water, 2 water? No, we cannot. Can we say oil? No, oil is uncountable. So, in this chapter, we have to understand the difference between countable as well as uncountable nouns. Count and write the number of people, animal or things for each of the following pictures. Here we counted 6 clowns. Here we counted 4 dolls, 5 frogs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 crayons. So these all are countable nouns, and the sugar, water and oil are uncountable nouns. We can count things like clowns, ice cream, dolls. These words are countable nouns. Now try to this. Sugar, water, oil. We cannot count things like sugar, water, oil. These words are uncountable nouns. So countable nouns are the names of the items that can be counted. They may be singular or plural. For example, tree is countable. Trees are uncountable. Plate is countable. Plates are uncountable. And uncountable nouns are the names of the items that cannot be counted. They are always singular. For example, wheat. Can we count the wheat? Can we take a single wheat every time? 1, 2, 3. No, we cannot count it. Juice. Can we count juice? No. We can count juice bottles, but I am not telling you juice bottle. It is juice. No, we cannot count it. Grass. We cannot count grass. Can we count each and every string of grass? No, we cannot. Sky. Can we count the sky? No. So these all are uncountable nouns. In this exercise, what you have to do is, you have to look at these pictures and write 5 countable and 5 uncountable nouns for each of the type. This is countable and this is uncountable. So please check this picture. In this picture, for example, if I say boys, so can I count the boys? Yes, I can count the boys. So I can write boys, countable. Girls, yes, countable nouns. Ducks, countable. Men, countable. Even slide, yes, it's one slide, countable. Swing, countable. Seesaw, countable, yes. Many other. Mat, countable. Spoons, countable, yes. And now, if I have to write the uncountable nouns, I can write grass. I can see the grass, which I cannot count. I can see the clouds. Can you see the clouds here? See, these are the clouds. Can you see the clouds? No, you can. You can see the cloud, but you cannot count the clouds. So cloud, sky, water, even hair. Hair of the boys and girls. Can you count the hair of the boys and girls? No, we cannot count. Or even you can write tea, coffee. Yes? Water, tea, coffee. These all are uncountable nouns. So, with this, I am ending here. And your today's homework is you will complete this exercise in your textbook and you will write 10 names of each countable as well as uncountable nouns in your English grammar notebook. With this, I'll end this class. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye for the day. Bye.